Hello students, I hope that you're safe and fine. Welcome back to our S.S.E.E. class. We will be using the same book, that is MIE book part 2. So be ready with your book and your pencil case. Open your book on page 119. Today we are going to work out the end of unit exercises. Question number 1. I observe the pictures to understand. Match the items in column A with the correct answer in column B. Let's first observe the pictures in column A. The first picture, what can you see? It's a bird. Very good. The second picture, what can you see? We can see a glass. In the third picture, we can see a blue car. In the fourth picture, we can see a lion. In the fifth picture, we can see a tree. And the last picture, we can see a fish. Now, let us look at column B and read what it says. Column B, the first one, it's written a plant. Second, an animal with 4 legs. Third, an animal which lives in water. Fourth, a non-living thing used for drinking. Next one, an animal with wings. And lastly, a non-living thing. So, be ready with your ruler. We have to match column A to column B. Let us start with column A, the first picture, that is the picture of the bird. We have to match to column B. Let us find the right answer. Is the first picture a plant? No. Is it an animal with 4 legs? The bird is an animal, but it has 2 legs, so it is not the right answer. An animal which lives in water. Does the bird live in water? No, the bird doesn't live in water. Next one, a non-living thing used for drinking. Is the bird a non-living thing? No, the bird is a living thing. Next one we have an animal with wings. Yes, the bird is an animal with wings. So match the first picture to column B, an animal with wings. Now let us see the second picture. We can see a glass. We have to match this picture to a good statement in column B. So let us start to read again column B. A plant. Is the glass a plant? No. An animal with 4 legs. No, this is not the answer because the glass is not an animal. An animal which lives in water. Again, the wrong answer because the glass is not an animal. A non-living thing used for drinking. The glass is a non-living thing. Yes, it is also used for drinking. So, this is the right answer we have to match. Use your ruler to match. Now let us see the next picture, the blue car, and we have to match to column B. Let us start to read. A plant. Is a car a plant? No, wrong answer. Is it an animal with 4 legs? No, the car is not an animal, wrong answer again. An animal which lives in water. The car cannot be an animal. So wrong answer again. And lastly, we have a non-living thing. Yes, this is the right answer. Use your ruler to match. Next picture now, the picture of a lion. Column B, a plant. No, wrong answer. An animal with 4 legs. Yes, a lion is an animal and it has how many legs? 4 legs. So, this is the right answer. Use your ruler to match. Next picture we can see a tree. Let us read column B. A plant. Yes, it is a plant. Let us match. And lastly, we have a fish, and it is an animal which lives in water. Do your matching neatly and use your ruler. Page 120 of the book. So open your book on page 120. Question number 2. I choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Number 1. A dog is a blank thing. A dog is a living or a non-living thing. All plants, animals, and human beings are living things. So, a dog is an animal is a living thing. So, a dog is a living thing. You have to cut off living and fill in the blank. Number 2. A cat cannot. First option, grow. Second option, breathe. Last option, fly. Un chat peut pas grandir, respirer ou s'envoler. C'est s'envoler, fly. A cat cannot fly. Number 3. The whale is an blank. The whale is an animal or an plant. We don't say an plant. And of course, the whale is an animal. So the whale is an animal which lives in the first option, soil, la terre. Second, sea, la mer. Last, tree, les arbres. The whale lives in the sea. Very good. You cut off sea, you write. Number 4. A bus is a blank thing. A bus is a living or non-living thing. Le bus, c'est un objet. All the objects are non-living things. So the bus is a non-living thing. Now fill in the blanks by yourself. Number 1. A dog is a living thing. Number 2. A cat cannot fly. Number 3. The whale is an animal which lives in the sea. Number 4. A bus is a non-living thing. Now we are going to work out question number 3 together. I read with understanding. I write true or false. Let us spell true. T-R-U-E, true. False now. F-A-L-S-E, false. True veut dire vrai et false c'est faux. Donc il faut écrire whether the statements, si c'est vrai ou faux ces phrases qu'on vous a données. Allons lire ensemble. Number 1. A horse lives in the sea. Est-ce que les chevaux vivent dans la mer? Non, c'est faux. Donc you have to write false. Number 2. A lion eats meat. Le lion mange de la viande. Oui, c'est vrai. Lions eat meat. You have to write true. Number 3. All plants are tall trees. Are all plants the same? Look around you. Are all the plants that you can see the same? No, plants are different. We learned that some plants are small, some are tall, while some have leaves of different colors, others have green leaves. So, all plants are not tall trees. You have to write false. Number 4. A rock is a living thing. Un rocher, est-ce qu'un rocher a de la vie? No. So a rock is not a living thing. You have to write false again. Number 5. A fish has 4 legs. Vous avez déjà vu un poisson avec des pattes? Non, ça n'existe pas. So it is false. A fish does not have legs. Number 6. Paper is used to make raincoats. Raincoat, c'est votre imperméable que vous portez quand il pleut. So it protects you from the rain, from getting drenched. If raincoats were made of paper, the paper would absorb the water and you would get drenched. So paper is not used to make raincoats. We use plastic to make raincoats. It is false again. Number 7. Plants make their own food. Yes, it is true. We learned this in this unit that plants make their own food. You have to write true. Number 1. A horse lives in the sea. False. Number 2. A lion eats meat. True. Number 3. All plants are tall trees. False. Number 4. A rock is a living thing. False. Number 5. A fish has 4 legs. False. Number 6. Paper is used to make raincoats. False. Number 7. Plants make their own food. True. So page 120, question number 4 will be your homework. I complete the sentence. Very easy. Yesterday itself we did a recap about this. You have to write the characteristics of living things. Living things breathe, blank and blank. So living things breathe, need food, and grow and change. So you have to write this down in your book. I wish you happy learning. That's all for our S.S.E.E. class. Take care and stay safe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.